Number 1.
1996 Ford Ranger, price $5,500. This truck has 98,000 original miles, a blue exterior, a gray interior, and a 5-speed manual transmission. Powered by a reliable 2.3-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, it features a regular cab, short bed, rear-wheel drive, and is rust-free with many new parts. The truck runs very well and has been carefully maintained. Over the past 4 years, the owner restored and upgraded the truck by repainting the frame, replacing the bed and front fender with rust-free factory color panels, installing new carpet and a replacement bench seat, and upgrading the factory radio to a RetroSound Newport unit with Bluetooth and auxiliary input while keeping the original look. It also features a new short-throw shifter with an upgraded shift boot, and the bed was repainted to closely match the exterior for a clean, finished appearance.
Number 2.
1977 Ford Courier, price $6,995. It has only 16,633 miles and is equipped with a manual transmission. It features a bright orange exterior paired with a tan interior and is powered by a gasoline engine. The truck has had its original owner since new and comes with a clean California title. Having spent its entire life in California, it has remained remarkably well preserved. This Courier is a true survivor that runs and drives well. The body is in amazing condition with straight body lines throughout, reflecting how well it has been cared for over the years. The interior is also in great shape, with the only notable flaw being the dash pad. A new battery has recently been installed, making it ready for its next owner. It currently has $884 in outstanding registration fees and will need a smog inspection.
Number 3.
2002 Ford F-250, price $6,000, one-owner truck that has proven to be both dependable and capable over the years. Powered by a strong V8 gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, it delivers reliable performance whether it's being used for daily driving, hauling, or tough job site duties. With 166,000 miles on the odometer and a bold red exterior, this truck continues to run and drive great while remaining in excellent overall condition. The truck has been thoughtfully updated with a Bluetooth radio, providing modern convenience without compromising its rugged character. It has also received important maintenance, including a new fuel pump and a new catalytic converter, giving the next owner added confidence in its reliability. Known as a great work truck with no reported mechanical issues, this F-250 is ready to tackle demanding tasks while still offering the durability and performance that Ford's heavy-duty trucks are known for.
Number 4.
1994 Chevrolet 2500, price $6,500, powered by a reliable 6.5L Detroit turbo diesel engine paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission with overdrive, delivering dependable performance for both daily driving and heavy-duty towing. It has been upgraded with an HX40 big turbo, Bosch injectors, a quad-star tune, a Carter lift pump, and a KN air filter for improved power and efficiency. The truck is equipped with dual batteries, including 2 new AutoZone Gold batteries, along with a new AutoZone alternator to ensure reliable starting and charging performance. Handling has been enhanced with a Borgeson universal steering shaft, while the 20x 10-inch American Eagle wheels give it a bold, aggressive appearance. Inside, it features a comfortable cloth interior, and a towing hitch makes it ready for hauling trailers, equipment, or recreational vehicles. Overall, this 1994 Chevrolet 2500 is a well-maintained and tastefully upgraded diesel truck that combines durability, capability, and performance.
Number 5.
1987 Chevrolet S10, price $7,950. It has 75,000 miles and is equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission. It features a white exterior, a tan interior, and is powered by a dependable gasoline 4-cylinder Iron Duke engine. This classic rear-wheel drive S10 comes with manual steering, crank windows, factory air conditioning, and throttle body fuel injection. It starts, runs, drives, shifts smoothly, and stops well. The current owner purchased it in 2021 from a long-term owner and has only used it occasionally, so it has seen very little use. The fuel and ignition systems were refreshed 2 years ago with a new OEM fuel pump, injector, spark plugs, wires, distributor cap, and a new exhaust. The tires are in great condition, and the truck has very little rust, making it a solid, well-preserved classic that could still benefit from a little TLC.
Number 6.
2002 Dodge Dakota, price $3,850. Dependable and well-maintained work truck powered by a strong V8 engine that delivers plenty of power for towing, hauling, or everyday driving. Owned by just one previous owner, it has been well cared for throughout its life and comes with a clean title for added peace of mind. The truck has 200,000 miles, an automatic transmission, a white exterior complemented by a clean gray interior, and runs on gasoline. The interior has been kept in excellent condition, reflecting the care it has received over the years, while the new tires provide improved traction and reliability on the road. Built with durability and practicality in mind, this Dakota remains a solid choice for anyone looking for a capable pickup that combines dependable performance, everyday comfort, and the proven strength of a V8-powered work truck.
Number 7. 1999 Ford Ranger.
Price $5,200, equipped with a dependable 2.3L gasoline engine and has 134,000 miles on the odometer. It has been well maintained, runs and drives great, and has earned a reputation for being a very reliable truck. The engine starts consistently every time, although it may occasionally need a slight touch of the gas pedal during startup. The transmission shifts smoothly overall, with only a minor slip when going into third gear, which is easily manageable for someone familiar with driving it. The truck does need a few repairs, including an AC recharge, new ignition coils due to the check engine light, and a thermostat replacement. The spark plug wires and spark plugs were replaced approximately 1 month ago. As with any vehicle approaching 30 years of age, it may require additional maintenance over time.
The title is clean and in hand, making it ready for its next owner. Number 8.
1996 Ford F-250, price $9,000, powered by the legendary 7.3L Power-Stroke diesel engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. It has approximately 300,000 miles on the odometer, features a black exterior with a gray interior, and runs on diesel fuel. While the truck shows its age cosmetically and is a bit rough around the edges, it remains a dependable workhorse. Widely regarded as one of the most reliable diesel trucks Ford ever built, it is ready to handle demanding jobs with ease. The truck is equipped with dual fuel tanks, both of which have been tested and confirmed to function properly, along with the fuel tank selector switch. The rear fuel tank has also been replaced. At the moment, the vacuum pump has failed, resulting in unassisted brakes, but a replacement pump is already on hand and will either be installed before the sale or included with the truck, depending on the timing.
Number 9.
1996 Dodge Ram 1500, price $3,200. This truck has 129,000 miles and is powered by a strong 5.9L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in blue with a gray interior, this gasoline-powered pickup runs great and has been well maintained. It features cold air conditioning, power windows, and tinted windows for added comfort. Recent maintenance includes new ball joints, new rear shocks, a new muffler, a fresh oil and filter change, and a new serpentine belt, ensuring it is ready for the road. Riding on a great set of tires, this Ram 1500 offers dependable performance and is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable classic truck.
Number 10.
1989 GMC 2500, price $5,500. This truck is a well-maintained 4x4 pickup with only 79,000 miles on the odometer. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission, a gasoline engine, a gold exterior, and a matching gold interior. Powered by a built 350 V8 engine with numerous bolt-on performance upgrades, this truck delivers strong performance and runs great.
It also features a newly installed water pump for added reliability.
The truck is exceptionally solid for its age and has a classic, eye-catching appearance that makes it stand out.
Overall, this GMC 2500 is a dependable and well-built classic truck that is ready to drive and enjoy.